As a homeowner in Loves Park, Illinois, making smart investments in your property is essential to ensuring both comfort and value. One of the most effective ways to improve your home's functionality, aesthetics, and energy efficiency is by replacing your windows. While window replacement may seem like a big expense initially, it can provide long-term benefits that make it a worthwhile investment. From saving on energy bills to enhancing curb appeal, here are several reasons why window replacement in Loves Park is a smart decision for homeowners. Energy savings and improved efficiency. One of the primary reasons homeowners in Loves Park opt for window replacement is the potential for significant energy savings. Older windows, especially those with single panes, can be a major source of heat loss in the winter and heat gain in the summer. This results in higher energy bills as your heating and cooling systems work harder to maintain a comfortable indoor temperature. Replacing your old windows with energy-efficient models can drastically reduce the amount of air that escapes or enters your home. Modern windows typically feature double or triple glazing, insulated frames, and low-E glass coatings that work together to provide better insulation. By preventing drafts and heat transfer, energy-efficient windows help keep your home cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter, leading to lower energy costs year-round. In Loves Park, where temperatures can fluctuate drastically between seasons, the energy-saving benefits of window replacement are especially valuable. Enhanced curb appeal and aesthetic value. Your windows are a key feature of your home's exterior, and worn-out or outdated windows can detract from the overall appearance of your property. Whether you're looking to sell or simply want to enjoy a more beautiful home, window replacement can significantly boost your curb appeal. New windows come in a wide variety of styles, colors, and finishes, allowing you to choose the perfect design to match your home's architectural style. If your home has a more traditional design, you can choose classic wood or vinyl windows with grids that complement the style. For modern homes, sleek, energy-efficient windows with clean lines and large glass panes can create a contemporary look. Whatever your style, upgrading to new windows can instantly refresh your home's exterior and make it more attractive to both visitors and potential buyers. Increased property value. If you're thinking of selling your Loves Park home in the future, window replacement can be a smart investment that increases your property value. Homebuyers are often drawn to homes with modern, energy-efficient windows because they know these windows will save them money on utility bills and reduce the need for future maintenance. In a competitive real estate market, a home with updated windows stands out and can help you sell your property more quickly and at a higher price. New windows are also an attractive feature for potential buyers who are looking for homes that are well maintained and energy efficient. In fact, studies have shown that homes with energy-efficient upgrades like new windows can often sell for more than comparable homes with outdated windows. Improved comfort and noise reduction. Window replacement doesn't just improve the energy efficiency of your home, it also enhances the overall comfort. Older windows may not provide adequate insulation, leading to hot or cold spots in your home. This can make certain rooms feel uncomfortable, especially during extreme weather conditions. By replacing your old windows with energy-efficient models, you can ensure a more consistent and comfortable temperature throughout your home. In addition, new windows often offer better noise insulation. If you live near a busy street or a noisy neighborhood in Loves Park, replacing your windows can help block out unwanted sounds. Many modern windows are designed to reduce noise infiltration, making your home quieter and more peaceful. This added benefit is especially valuable if you have young children, work from home, or simply enjoy a calm environment. Increased security and safety. Old or damaged windows can pose a security risk, as they may not close properly or could be easily compromised by intruders. Window replacement ensures that your new windows are secure and provide an added layer of protection for your family. Many modern windows come with advanced locking mechanisms and reinforced glass options, making them more difficult to break into. This increased security is especially important in a home where safety is a top priority. Additionally, newer windows often feature designs that are easier to operate and more accessible in case of an emergency. Whether you're looking for windows that are easier to clean or simply need windows that can be opened quickly in case of fire or other emergencies, modern windows provide practical solutions for both safety and convenience. Reduced maintenance and longer lifespan. Old windows often require constant maintenance, whether it's repainting, sealing, or replacing damaged panes. Over time, this can add up in terms of both time and cost. In contrast, new windows are typically made from low-maintenance materials like vinyl or fiberglass, which don't require regular painting or sealing. Many modern windows also feature durable coatings that protect against dirt and moisture, reducing the frequency of cleaning and upkeep. By choosing energy-efficient windows, you're investing in a product that will last for years to come. New windows often come with warranties, giving you peace of mind knowing that your investment is protected. With a longer lifespan and fewer maintenance requirements, you'll save both time and money in the long run. Eco-friendly benefits. Replacing your windows with energy-efficient models is not only beneficial for your wallet but also for the environment. By improving your home's insulation and reducing your energy consumption, you're helping to lower your carbon footprint. Energy-efficient windows reduce the need for heating and cooling, which can help decrease greenhouse gas emissions associated with energy production. If you're looking for ways to make your home more sustainable, window replacement is a simple and effective way to do so. Conclusion. Window replacement in Loves Park is a smart investment for homeowners looking to enhance their home's energy efficiency, comfort, security, and value. From saving on energy bills to improving curb appeal, new windows provide a range of benefits that make them a worthwhile upgrade. Whether you're planning to stay in your home for years to come or are preparing to sell, replacing your windows can provide lasting value and contribute to a more comfortable, attractive, and sustainable living space.